Okay, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another vlog. This is a reshoot of this vlog, no? Kasi kanina we got a chance to unbox this Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G from Infinix Philippines. Nasa tayo sa Molly's Donuts. This is my second time to feature it kasi nalaman ko na mayroong box pala na pwedeng unbox. We're going to unbox this, no? So before I unbox this, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs ng Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G series sila. Okay? Ito yung specs niya. Watch this video. Okay, let's do this. So according to this, it has a 100 watts and 20 watts na all-around fast charging. The 100 watts is the wired, 20 watts is yung wireless. So it's a Dimensity 720 5G chipset and 3D curved AMOLED display.
Hi guys!
Okay, start ng event. Okay, we're doing a hands-on test. No? So on my hand is, this is the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus. Dalawang version siya. Isang Note 40 Pro and this one is the Note 40 Pro Plus. So this one has a 24GB of RAM at 256GB of storage. Pero yung isang version niya na Pro lang, Note 40 Pro, meron siyang 16GB of RAM at 256GB of storage. It's very interesting. At saka yung casing niya, it's nice. This is the casing. Ito yung totoong itsura ng phone. Ganito yung itsura niya. So let's do a hands-on test at pakita ko sa inyo yung awesomeness nitong Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. Alright, let's do this. So nakita nyo na yung tech specs and let's start the unboxing. By the way, they have two kinds of the Infinix Note 40. This is the Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. Yung pangalawa nila is the Note 40 Pro lang. So may Pro at may Pro Plus. Yung Pro Plus, it's 5G. Yung Pro lang, it's 4G lang siya. Abangan nyo yung launching nito this April 24 at ang endorser nila is si Ivana Alawi. Ayan. So I'll update the title nitong vlog natin para makita nyo yung SRP ng dalawang phones na to. But we are going to unbox the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. So, ang ginagawa natin, mag-unbox na tayo. Let's do this. And here we go. This is the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G from Infinix Philippines. It says this is the kanilang feature na 100 watts na all-around fast charge 2.0. Wired yan. And also they have a 20 watts for the wireless charging. Very interesting, you can see here the logo ng JBL. This is a new collaboration. It's a dual speakers smartphone using JBL speakers technology. O, diba? Interesting. This one is a 24GB of RAM. That's 12GB of RAM plus another 12GB expansion RAM. So 24GB of RAM siya. And this is a 256GB of storage. Very ganda nitong model to. Nakita ko lang yung SRP, super very interesting siya. So, napakamura, abot kaya. Let's unbox it. This one is more information here. 108 megapixel OIS super zoom camera. Ayan, dual speakers by JBL. It's a Dimensity 725G. May active halo siya. First in segment, all AI lighting. 35 curve, 120Hz refresh rate, AMOLED display. Cover glass by Corning Gorilla Glass. Ayan, 20 watts wireless charge, mag charge. Alright, so unbox na natin to and let's see yung ganda ng Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G. Okay, may nahulog na isa. This one is kasama yung kanilang magnetic pad for the wireless magnetic charger. At mamaya unbox natin yan. And this is the phone. Kunin natin tong phone na to and here we go. At laman nito is the SIM tray pin sa manual at yung kanya pinaka-importante yung casing niya. Yung casing niya is may kasama siyang magnet for the wireless charging. Ayan. So may kasama din siya parang parang glass parang ito ata yung screen protector siya, makapal kasama siya. Nice, this is nice. What else? Some manuals at yun na yun. Alright, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo paano gamitin itong casing nila. And here's the phone. ating phone. Infinix Note 40 Pro 5G. Ayan, with NFC. Tanggalin na natin yung laman. Here we go. This is the unit. Tanggalin ko na ito para makita ninyo. At what else inside the box? We have here the kanilang charging brick na 100 watts and also the USB-C cable. Ayan. So, ayan. Itabi na natin ito para medyo maluwag. At let's have a focus on their phone. So, this is the phone, the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. This is the body. Parang may vegan leather yung kanyang casing. It is so nice. It's very soft. Di naman soft, parang very smooth pala. Very smooth. Ganda. Parang bag. Ayan. So, there's a logo of the Infinix 5G. And here's the camera module niya. Ganda, oh. And at the front, there's the front camera here. Ayan. Very curved siya, no? Curved yung kanyang screen. Sa taas, there's the speaker. There's some microphones at meron logo ni JBL dito. That's very interesting. May logo na JBL. So this is a dual speakers. Meron din sa taas, meron din sa baba. Dual speaker siya. So left side's very clean. Sa ilalim, it's the SIM tray, microphone slot, USB Type-C, another speaker. Sa right side, it's the power button at yung volume rocker. So na-set up na rin din to. Mas maganda dito, kabit na natin yung kanyang casing. This is the magnet thing. So, ang ganda niya ang itsura niya, no? Pagka kinabit mo to, wow, ang ganda, oh. It's very thin pa rin. It will still protect yung mga edges ng phone pag nahuhulog siya. May protection siya dito sa gilid-gilid niya. Fire up na natin. This is the phone, the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. Okay, na-set up na ba itong phone na to? Ayun, ito na. Medyo maliwanag lang siya ng konti. Medyo may natin. Ayan. It's very smooth ng kanyang screen. Because this is a 100 Hz refresh rate. This is so nice. Ang ganda. 256 GB of storage, 24 GB of RAM. Let's check out the camera, no? Very interesting sa camera niya. Ang meron sa camera niya is only 1x at 3x for the zoom. So wala siyang wide lens. Kung gusto niyo mag-wide lens, you're going to use the panoramic na lang, no? Para makapag-wide shot kayo. Yun ang medyo nakakalungkot lang sa kanya, no? Wala siyang wide lens. Even sa video, wala siyang wide lens. Only 1x tsaka 3x lang talaga. And this video can shoot up to 2K 30 FPS, 1080p 60 FPS, 1080p 30 FPS at 720 30 FPS. May mga test ako, nagamit ko ito. So, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya na lang. Alright, and what else? This photo niya, wala rin siyang wide lens. No? There's an AI thing. Pwede ka mag-shoot for 108 megapixel. Ayan, may flash, filters, and may selfie niya. It's very interesting selfie niya. No? Ganda lang kanyang selfie camera. Napaka-bilis din ng kanyang response. Ayan. Malinaw naman siya, malinaw. May logo pa siya ng may watermark din siya. Okay din to, Okay. Portrait mode, there's also portrait mode. You have film. Yung film parang it will shoot a video pero it will edit for you kasama yung music niya. So parang gumagawa ka ng video montage, kung tamad ka mag-edit, the phone will do the editing for you. Ano pa? Portrait mode, may super night mode. For the more other photo feature, meron slow motion, time lapse, dual video, short video, sky shot, pro mode. This is maganda, may pro mode siya, no? You can control manually the camera. And what else? Panorama, super macro document at AR shot. At AR shot ito may mga filter. Pero mukha na ito. This is my head. Babae ako. Bakit puro babae ito? Wala mang lalaki yan, no? Puro babae. Hello, ayun, lalaki na ako. Hey guys. Ang cute. Ang kulit na ito, no? Pero nag-AI na ako. Para na akong tawag dito, VTuber. Ayan. So, ayun ang mga features niya. At very interesting lang, no? If you want to use this mag charger, meron siyang saksakan, no? Na for example, may cable to Kakabitan mo to ng cable, USB Type-C, use your charger, tapos since meron na kayong yung casing na may magnet, so didikit ko lang siya dyan. Ayan, nakadikit na siya. At tatayo mo lang siya, it will charge itself. Kaya makakapag-demo ngayon, but I have some videos later on. Pakita ko sa inyo. Video test and also the fast charging set using this Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. Alright, watch this video para makita ninyo yung mga features nitong phone na ito. So, anong verdict natin? Kasi ang daw is fast charging daw itong Infinix 40 Pro Series 5G. At ang sabi nila, it has a 200 watts, tama ba?
100 watts.
100 watts.
Charging. 20 watts wireless charging.
So 100 watts wired, 20 watts for the wireless. So ito naka-wireless to.
Wireless.
They are using this kind of thing. Ito, ayan. Naka-attach yung wireless charging rig. So we are now charging at 20 watts for the wireless. Let's check it out. Check. Patanggal. So nakapatong lang siya. Like that. Sige. Hanggang natin. Alright. So, ayun. 69%. Alright. Woo! And we are shooting this with the Infinix Note 40 Pro Series 5G. Parang wala siyang white pala, no? Walang white angle, no? Mga tropa natin. Hello. Naka-record. Ganda lang po, no? Infinix Note 40 Pro Series 5G. This video is shot at Infinix Note 40 Pro Series 5G. Tapos na pala yung kanta. It's 2K 30 FPS. This one is 1080p 60 FPS. And this is 1080p 30 FPS. So okay lang. And this is 720 30 FPS for the front camera. And this is the 2K 30 FPS rear camera. I think we're on wide. Wala palang wide to, naka 1x lang pala tayo. And this one is a 1080p 60 FPS. And this is 1080p 30 FPS. Alright, so this is 720p 30 FPS rear camera. And that's it guys for our video unboxing for today using the Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus 5G. April 24 na ang launching nito, so abangan nyo si Ivana Alawi yung kanilang endorser at very interesting yung kanyang pricing sa dalawang phones, the Pro Plus and the 40 Pro lang. Yeah, isang 5G, isang 4G. Alright, I'll end now my video here at nandito kasi tayo sa restaurant so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you so much Infinix Philippines for this unboxing activity natin for today. Alright.